This is a smoke alarm. It uses ionization technology to detect the smallest traces of smoke. It has an 85 decibel alarm. It conforms to British Standard 5446. It comes with a 5-year warranty. This is James. He took the battery out of the smoke alarm because it kept going off.
For more advice, visit firekills.gov.uk.